Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a square from any rectangular piece of paper. This happens to be wrapping paper. We're just going to go ahead and line up the short side to the adjacent side and then use the edge of the paper as a cutting line. And then once we have our square, we've actually already created fold 1. And then we just need to line up these 2 small points for fold 2. And then we need to divide this point into thirds. So we're going to go ahead and bring up this side. And then I'm going to unfold that one and tuck in the 2 folds to the center so they don't slide around on me as I'm cutting. And then I'm going to refold and recrease. And there we go. All ready to start cutting out our snowflake.